I'm Luke Pitt and I'm Head of Safety at TSW. You're ready to book the IOSH Managing Safely course, but why should you do it with us? You'll learn how to assess and control risks, perceive hazards and investigate incidents. But if you learn with us, you'll go back to work and make a difference. We empower you to make decisions, speak up and ask questions. You'll be making a positive health and safety change that makes the people around you safer and keeps the business safe too. We'll give you the confidence to take initiative and to make suggestions that no one else has thought of. That's impressive. We want you to start your journey to becoming an expert. We think the way to do this is to start your career in health and safety with best practice principles created by the market-leading chartered body IOSH. To help you get the qualifications, we'll give you industry experts and we'll teach you in concentrated, immersive learning environments so that you've got the right tools to pass the exams first time. And you won't have to travel far to get all of this. We're on your doorstep in easy to reach places across South Wales. So what are you waiting for? We want to hear from you and get started. Send us a message and let's make a start together.